This is Nwaguatahihia Motors Limited. Wow, Sienna LE, Toyota Sienna LE. From Nwaguatahihia Motors Limited. Wonderful, like Nwaguatahihia, they make exclusive today in America. Make one a data. Okwulu Ora and me here. Nwaguatahihia Limited, please, others follow. Nwaguatahihia Motors. The containers will have little. All the 4 vehicles inside this particular container. We are still offloading. Many cars are about to come out before the next offload. Please wait.